Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to Outdoor SIP Emergency Call Service Solution. Outdoor SIP-based IP Emergency Call Service Solution is composed of IP Emergency Call Phone, IP-PBX, IP-PON, and IP Voice Call Recording System. This solution makes a high-quality SIP-based VoIP communication. An EDIFACT Outdoor Emergency Call Service solution is used in various outdoor places requiring emergency call features like roadside, subway station, and tunnel, etc. First, AVE IP60 IP Emergency Call Phone is composed of a built-in microphone, built-in speaker, IP Emergency Call Button, LED backlight for night, and then power port. And it supports PoE, water resistance function, and full duplex VoIP call. EDIFACT IP-PBX like IPNext 600 is for all IP environment that supports multimedia video, voice communication, and paging call as well as existing voice PBX function by interworking with EDIFACT IP terminal devices like IP-PON. EDIFACT IP voice recording solution supports to record emergency voice call in case of an emergency situation by installing IP video recording server like AVNR 1500 and AVNR 5000.
How can I help you?
I'm in danger situation. Please come to here.
We will go there. How can I help you?
I'm in danger situation. Please come to here.
We will go there.